Today's hip and knee replacement patients are doing more, living more, and expecting more than ever before. Smith+Nephew continues to keep pace with the anticipations of this more demanding and often active patient population. With this goal in mind, global implant maker Smith+Nephew is pleased to offer VERILAST technology, the combination of OXINIUM alloy with highly cross-linked polyethylene. The proprietary OXINIUM alloy represents the first truly new material in hip and knee replacements in over 20 years. Unlike other implants, which are typically made from either a metal or ceramic material, OXINIUM implants offer the benefits of both. Implants made from this game-changing material offer the strength, durability, biocompatibility, and corrosion resistance that today's patients want to return to their active and fulfilling lives. All OXINIUM implants are made from a specialized zirconium alloy, an extremely biocompatible metal that is similar to titanium and has been used in the medical industry since 1957. Because OXINIUM implants have extremely low levels of nickel, cobalt, and chromium, they are often used as the implant solution for patients believed to have metal sensitivity. In addition, zirconium offers some very unique attributes that enhance its ability to function in implant technology. For example, when zirconium is heated, the surface reacts with oxygen and transforms into a ceramic that is much harder than the original metal and is extremely resistant to both abrasion and corrosion. In fact, because of a unique combination of desirable properties, zirconium is often used in other high-tech applications such as chemical processing, offshore drilling, and even nuclear power generation. The initial step to creating zirconium starts with collecting a special type of zircon-rich sand found along the beaches of Western Australia. A sophisticated chemical process is used to remove the silicates and convert it into pure zirconium metal. The metal is then sent through a series of steps that yield an alloy comprised of 97.5% pure zirconium. Initially formed into strong wrought bar stock, this alloy is ultimately used to make the various sizes and shapes of Smith+Nephew's knee and hip implants. For knee implants, the alloy will become the femoral component. For hip implants, it becomes the femoral head. Smith+Nephew spent more than a decade developing the process of making OXINIUM implants and is still the only company in the world able to offer this remarkable implant material to our surgeons and their patients. Here is how the process works. First, special, extensively trained machinists use varying grades of grinding wheels, polishers, and other tools to refine the implant components until each one meets the exacting specifications required. Next, the implants are sent into furnaces where oxygen is naturally diffused into the metal as it heats. During this process, the surface of the metal is transformed into a ceramic that is more than twice as hard and significantly more abrasion resistant than cobalt chrome, the metal typically used in these types of implants. The newly ceramicized components then complete a final polishing process similar to the methods used for polishing gemstones. This works to smooth their surface even more and prepare the implants for patient use. The last stage of manufacturing for all OXINIUM implants is a detailed inspection. Here, technicians test components for oxide thickness, as well as accuracy of size and shape before moving the implants on to sterilization and packaging. Smith+Nephew spent more than a decade developing OXINIUM implants. It is proud to be the only company in the world that can offer this implant material in combination with highly cross-linked polyethylene to create the proprietary bearing couple of VERILAST technology to surgeons and their patients.